Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and after a really long time we will be doing an unboxing on this channel. Yes, you heard that right. So unboxing and overview of the Amazon Fire TV Stick 1080p edition and the second generation. And yes, this thing can turn your ordinary and boring TV into a smart Android TV. And yes, it's actually really good, and I've been using this device for almost a week now, and I think I can share my review regarding this device. So before opening the box, let's look at the box and see the physical overview of the box itself. So on the top, in the front, as you can see, it's mentioned Amazon Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote, and this is a second generation Fire TV Stick with the second generation Alexa voice remote. And on the side here you can see some of the features written, that is, it comes with Alexa built-in, it has 1080p resolution supported, and Dolby audio is also supported. The processor used is quad core, and it comes with the Wi-Fi capability. So that's really nice thing. And in the box there are bunch of things included, that is the Fire TV Stick itself, the Alexa voice remote, both second generation, two AAA battery. Yes, batteries are also included, so that's a really nice thing. And power adapter, USB cable, and HDMI extender cable. And that's actually more than enough for you guys to get started with using a smart TV. On the back there is also some of more features written. I don't think you need to read that. And on the other side here you can see the price mentioned on the box is 3,999, and I'm pretty sure you can get this Fire Stick for less than this 3,999 pricing. I will leave a link down below in the description for you guys to check out the latest pricing. So without wasting any much time, let's unbox this thing and see is it worth it or not. So let's unbox this thing first. So opening the box is very much simple. Just peel off the sticker, and inside the box there is a black case, and the things are arranged pretty amazingly. And the first thing which comes in the hand is the Fire TV Stick manual, and you don't need this much to read. And the other thing is the Alexa voice remote manual, and it gives a glimpse idea about the device. And the next thing is the power cable, that is the micro USB cable, and you will need to connect this to your TV stick. And the next is the HDMI extender. It's very small extender, but it comes in handy. And these are the AAA batteries and power adapter. Power adapter is a normal adapter, and this is the Amazon Fire TV Stick. On the side is the micro USB port, and this is an HDMI input. Now coming to the remote, this is the remote, and it's very sleek, and the button placement is also pretty amazing. On the top there is a voice recognition button, like you can press this button to activate the Amazon Alexa. And you need to insert two AAA batteries in the remote, and you are good to go. So my first impressions regarding the Amazon Fire TV sticks are that it's really simple. Like if you have a simple ordinary TV and you really need to convert or want a smart TV, Android TV, and you don't have that amount of cash lying around, then I think this is the best option you can get, so that your normal on ordinary TV gets converted into a smart one. And the setup process is really simple. You just need to plug this thing into the HDMI port of your ordinary TV, and you are good to go. There are some setup steps, but it's very easy. You just need to connect your Wi-Fi with this Alexa, and you are very good to go. And everything else it does automatically, so that's really nice. And it also asks in the start to download some of the Prime OTT platform apps onto the Alexa, that is onto your TV, and you can select whichever app you want to install, and at any time you can also uninstall the app. And there is also an option to install third-party apps on this Amazon Fire TV Stick, but it's quite some process, and you will need to Google it a little bit. And also you need to keep in mind that all the OTT platforms, that is the Netflix, Amazon Prime, require separate subscriptions, and only buying this will not get you streaming through that. So you need to keep that thing in the mind. And talking about the performance and the smoothness over here of the software, it's pretty amazing. That is the second generation Alexa remote, works really well, and it also has a button with which you can get the Alexa on board, and you just say it and she will do the stuff for you, and it's really amazing and it's really responsive. Yes, if you are looking for something that will change your way of watching or streaming devices, then this is the key to that. And Amazon Fire TV Stick second generation, and I guess 1080p resolution streaming version will be enough for you guys. If you are not watching every other series in 4K, I don't think many series are available. So if you want to save extra rupees over there, then I suggest you going for the 1080p streaming versions. So this was the first impression of the Amazon Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and for more such videos, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell icon. I am Jay signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and peace out.